Hi guys! In this video we're going to talk about how to calculate the charge of an atom. As we talked about earlier, each atom has 3 different kinds of particles inside of it. First is a proton, second, the neutron, and third, the electron. The proton has a positive charge, the neutron does not have a charge, and the electron has a negative charge. So whenever we're actually trying to calculate the charge, we don't even have to worry about neutrons since they're neutral. They don't have a charge. But what we'll have to do is subtract the number of electrons from the number of protons that we have. And this is because protons, again, are positive and electrons are negative. So let's take a whack at it with this problem. Let's first count the number of protons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 protons. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 electrons. So what this happens to be mathematically will be plus 7 minus 6, because we're subtracting the electrons from the protons. So we have 7 minus 6 equals positive 1. So this atom right here has a positive 1 charge. Let's try some more problems.